My name is Wally and this is Dana. We recently had Paul Callis of Riverside Developments complete a renovation of our house, and we could not be happier with the results. Paul was able to listen to Dana's vision of what she wanted, provide options, and come up with solutions that met her needs. At the same time, Paul was able to address my concerns and make sure that any changes that he made were both functional and met the intended purpose. Paul speaks both right brain and left brain when it comes to completing a project and made sure we got what we wanted in our home. Paul provided us with design ideas and suggestions that brought Dana's vision to life. Paul is a hands-on builder who is our on-site project manager, and he was always available to keep us up to date on what was going on. He addressed our concerns, if we had any, as we went through the process. Paul spoke to us daily to keep us abreast of any progress that was being made. Paul and his trades and suppliers made all the difference in ensuring that we were kept up to date on the progress being made and ensured that we got what we wanted in our home. We're so happy with the way it turned out. We completed our renovations when supply chain issues were affecting the entire world. Paul was in tune with his suppliers and ensured that we made decisions and completed our orders in a timely fashion. This enabled Paul and his crew to complete the project on time and on budget, which was fabulous. Paul kept us up to date constantly, providing us with financial statements detailing our costs as we went through the entire process. This included several revisions, and he ensured that we knew where we could save money and what options we had. Paul's advice saved us time and money on every aspect of the renovation and ensured that we got a high quality product at the end of it. If we ever need Paul, we know he's there for us. Paul and his trades at Riverside are truly experienced craftsmen who take great pride in their work. We are extremely satisfied with the renovations they completed and would not hesitate to recommend Paul and his crew to anyone considering a build or renovation. I would just like to say thank you very much to Riverside for completing an awesome renovation on our house. It's greatly appreciated.
Thanks, Paul.